All right, so this thing here, you know, I mean, it looks pretty nice and dandy there. Only problem is this fucking cord, yo. Like, it's just gonna be just chilling out there. I was already, when I was trying to get out of the car, I was already tripping on this thing. So what I'm doing, or what I did here, this is little hole right here. You know, it didn't have a hole there, but I had to do some other stuff before. I got one of these little coin thingy-majiggies from Suey Speed. Real beloved coins that I got. But kind of helped me just, you know, kind of see what's going on in there. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and just run this thing. And I guess I'll just tie that, you know, the stuff down there. Just kind of somewhere in there, zip tie it. Make this thing just long enough so I can reach it up here. And voila, connect it. That's it. So one more thing. Looks like this thing comes up, or comes at the end of the little thingamajiggy, which is there. It's just a little plug, I guess, when it first brand new. But check this out. I just put some double-sided tape, kind of like, if I'm not gonna use the Accessport, I don't want to pop it up. And check this out. Bam. Nice and neat, huh? I mean, it's still out there, but unless you know, you want to just go ahead and just stuff it over the inside and out of sight, out of mind for reals. But other than that, I mean, look at that, huh? Would you look at that? Yeah, that's where I mount my thing. I can also mount right here. I just kind of had it because I have a phone with one of those little plates that you can actually mount in the back. Pretty amazing, pretty cool, pretty cool. So check this out, you know what I mean? And I can, of course, you know, got it here and then right here. So that's that. But where I mainly put it now most of the time, because, you know, this is the Accessport, I just slapped it over there for right now. But that's my main mount, you know, since everything's there. So easy breezy. Yeah, bud, now we're cool. What I did here, I got a little one of those little pouches here, koozies. This one from Nameless. I kind of got double side or Velcro type of thing, so it's there. And whenever I want to hide it, I mean, it's not really hidden, but bam, fits there. It doesn't bug me when I'm driving, stuff like that. Or if I ever want to just, you know, I don't know, gotta go somewhere and gotta make sure I put this away, and I don't want to leave it in plain sight, then, you know, that's where it's gonna be. So if you guys live near me, you know, just well, I guess I just let you guys know where my Accessport's at. But other than that, that's it. Cool, huh?